Good afternoon from the Ruby Room at Cornell Public Library. I'm Miss Jennifer, and for today's Tinker Tuesday, we're going over our engineering challenge. And this is actually our last Tinker Tuesday for the school year. So after today, we're going to take a little break. We're going to switch into summer reading, and then we will start back up in the fall with more Tinker Tuesdays. So today, we're going to go over what's in your kits. Don't worry, if you weren't able to pick up a kit, you can definitely find most of these supplies at home, so don't worry about that. So, what we're doing today in our challenge is to build a balloon-powered bottle car. So you've got your bottle. You also have a piece of thicker cardboard. Of course, your balloon. You have a bit of string. And last, you have a thick piece of cardstock. So the things that are not provided for the kit that you can use as much as you want are scissors and tape. So before you get started, you want to think about how you want to turn this into a car. You're going to need wheels for it to move, or some sort of wheels. So you've got to engineer that and figure out how you're going to do wheels for this with the supplies you've been given. So think about the shapes of wheels. So our wheels are usually round. So how do you think you want to attach that? But that's the balloon-powered bottle rocket. So I hope you guys have fun making this. I think it's a fun challenge, having to figure out how to attach those wheels. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. Or you could go outside the box and not even do wheels and find some other way to make this glide across the floor. Because basically what we're doing here is we're using the air pushing back to cause the car to go forward. So keep in mind when you're attaching your balloon or figuring out how to attach your balloon, that with the balloon full, air is going that way, so it's going to push it away. So how you mount your balloon will decide which way's the front and back. So I recommend for this one, because this one's a little bit extra challenging than the ones we've done in the past, to really plot it out, and don't be worried or discouraged if the first couple of times don't work out perfectly. That's part of engineering, is tinkering and trial and error and learning from past mistakes. So if it doesn't work out the first time, you can always try again. So this is our last Tinker Tuesday for the year. I hope you guys have enjoyed the Tinker Tuesdays for the school year. And we will pick back up again in the fall. And there'll be more information to come about the programs we're going to be offering for summer reading. So we're definitely going to be doing some cool, fun stuff in children's. Don't worry, there's still going to be activities and fun things to do. But there'll be more information about that coming up pretty soon. All right, I will see you later. All right, bye.